Children, are you ready to listen to our new story for today?
Yes, Grandma!
Okay, our new story for today is all about Mayari, the goddess of the moon. Long ago, Bathala, the supreme god, created the world. To help him govern the heavens, he had 3 children. Apolaki, the god of the sun. Mayari, the goddess of the moon. And Tala, the goddess of the stars. Bathala entrusted the sky to Apolaki and Mayari so that the world would always have light, day, and night. But Apolaki and Mayari were both strong and proud. Soon, they quarreled over who should rule the sky alone. The quarrel grew fierce. Their powers flashed over the heavens.
I will shine brighter than the moon. No one can stop my strength.
The night must stop the light. Even if I am smaller, I will protect the world with my silver glow.
Please, brother, sister, don't fight. The world needs both day and night to live in balance.
Their struggle shook the sky. Mayari was struck in the eye, losing one of her eyes, yet she continued to shine with grace and determination.
Even with one eye, I will guide the night. Fairness and wisdom is stronger than anger and pride.
But Hala saw their fight and knew he had to stop it.
Enough, children. Your quarrel has caused chaos in the world. You shall rule together, each in your own time. Apolaki, the sun will rise for the day, and Mayari, the moon will guide the night.
From that day, the sky had balance. Apolaki ruled the day, and Mayari ruled the night, with Tala dancing among the stars to guide them home.
The night sparkles and guide travelers, thanks to Mayari and the stars.
Even with one eye, I will shine for the world. Wisdom and fairness is stronger than anger or pride.
Together, we bring light and balance. The world will be brighter if we work in harmony.
And so, Mayari, goddess of the moon, ruled the night with grace and fairness, reminding everyone that harmony, wisdom, and balance are more powerful than strength alone. And that's the story of Mayari.
Wow, that was an amazing story, Grandma.
But we have to go to school now.
Okay, you should go to school now, children.
Thank you, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma!